Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Filto application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the profile icon down below, which is the last option. After that, you should click on this settings icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you should go to the general section and click on the notifications button in the right side of the screen. You will be directed to your phone settings where you need to allow the application to have access to your notifications. So click on this third button. Tap on allow notifications, then go back to the app, and as you can see it has been allowed and turned on, so you are going to receive notifications from the app. If you want to turn it off, just go back to the settings and tap on the button again. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.